National Sports Day. National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August every year. It is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand Singh. He was the legendary Indian hockey player. He is also known as Hockey Wizard of India. He had won 3 times gold medals in Olympic Games for India. Apart from winning gold medals for India, he also served in the Indian Army. National Sports Day was first celebrated on 29th August 2012. The day is celebrated to spread the awareness about the importance of sports in life. On this day, President of India distributes the National Sports Award to all the winning players. This day is celebrated across the schools and colleges by conducting various sports activities. Thanks for watching.